Hello YouTube. I hope you're doing fine today, and if you're watching this video, then I'm going to share that how you can add external links from your social media on your YouTube channel's about section. So in order to get to learn this, let's just not waste more time and get to the computer screen so that we can do it. On the screen I have the YouTube here. Go to youtube.com and on the right top corner click on the view channel. Go to your channel. You'll have to click on the right top corner and then view your channel, as you can see on the screen as well, and then click customize channel. This will lead you to the YouTube Creator Studio. On Creator Studio you have to click basic info. On basic info you will be able to see the name of the channel, handle of the channel or username of the channel, and the description of the channel as well. You can also see or add the languages here, channel URL here, and you can create the custom URL as well, as this channel has a custom URL here. And if you scroll down you'll able to see the links, as this channel has Facebook, Instagram, Patreon and TikTok link. In this scenario the TikTok link is incorrect as it's mentioned instagram.com, so I have to update it as tiktok.com. So I will go to the URL required option and try to change the instagram.com to tiktok.com, and username of this channel is the same on TikTok and Instagram. So I'll publish here. Once it gets published, it's published. So I'll go to check again on youtube.com and go to the about section of the channel, and as you can see it's updated. In order to verify this, I'll click on this option and verify either it's updated or not. As you can see on the screen that it is updated. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comment, was this helpful for you, and which part of the world you're watching this video. I would love to thank these subscribers on the screen for giving a comment on the last videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.